everyone, welcome to yet another unboxing video of the Remember Me Disney Coco mystery box. There are 10 pins to collect, 2 to each box, and I must have really wanted the whole set when I ordered these because I got 8 boxes, which means I'll be getting 16 pins. We have Miguel, Dante, Mama Coco, Pepita, De La Cruz, Mama Imelda, Dante as an alebrije, Hector, the guitar, and some sugar skulls. This is a really cute set. When I first saw it, the aesthetic was just up my alley, and knowing these boxes, the pins are just going to be really cute in size. Here's the first one. Okay. Yay, Hector! Oh yeah, these are cute. Just as I expected. Well made. Here's the back. I always forget to show the back. Here, let me get rid of this. Also, never let go of the packaging for some reason. I keep it in my fist all the time. Here we go. Nice. Love it. Yay. Can go there. Next pin. Yay! Miguel! He's so cute. Seriously, this set is so cute. Here he is. And the back. Nice. Alright, here's when things get a little nerve-wracking. I have plenty of boxes to go, but I'm hoping to not have to open all of them. Oh my gosh, I'm like cutting the pin. Oh, another Hector. Okay, well, that's cute. At least I can have a nice trading pin for the next time I go into the parks. I've been thinking about it. To be honest with you, I've never traded in the parks. But whenever I do watch those videos, which I love to watch, they normally have a lot of the booster packs on the boards or on the lanyards that you find already at the park. When I do go to the parks the next time and I see a booster pack that I actually want to add to my collection, I'm thinking trade them so that maybe somebody else can find them and pick them up and trade for them too, because I feel like at least lately, at least in the videos that I've seen lately, I haven't seen any of these pins on their boards. Next pin. Okay, Pepita! Yay! She looks good. Yeah, there's a lot of little... And the details are really nice. Well made, of course. Disney. Oh, has 2 pins in the back, so... Alright, I'm just gonna leave them there. Let's move the doubles over here. Oh wait, forgot. There was a second pin. Oh wait, what in the heck? Did I forget to open a pin? Oops. I think I was talking too much. Okay. I don't know, I'm losing track now, so let's just open these. I have 2 bags that are unopened. Oh, yay! We got the guitar. This one has 2 pins. 2 backings too, which is good, I guess, if you don't want it to swivel around. It is a small pin though. It's so cute. Seriously, these pins are really up my alley. I just love the size, the aesthetic, the cuteness of it. Very me. Oh, here. I'm about to open another box. I'm so used to the blind box pins by Loungefly that I just start wanting to open up a new box every time. Ooh, oh, another Miguel. Another trader. Somebody will be happy to find this at the parks. I forgot to flip it over, but yay, Mama Imelda. I just love these pins. Seriously, they are so well made. I love the little details that they are able to fit on these little things. You like the dots, the screen printed dots on her face, under her eyes. Very cool. I love it. Oh, it's kind of hard to keep these nice. I should start putting them on a cork board. I'll do that next time. I forgot to show the back. I'm not sure how many people care about seeing the back. I do like it because even though it's the same thing every time, it has a nice like waffling of the Mickey head. Nice details. I mean, it adds to the pin. Just knowing that it's back there. Oh, I gotta flip this way. Okay. Oh, another Pepita. Okay. Here we go. Here she is again. Okay. Please be Mama Coco. Oh wait, I didn't get him yet. Dela Cruz. Awesome. Again, really good detailing. Like there are little details on the guitar. Oh, sorry, can't see. Really good detailing. The little screen printing on the face, on the guitar. It looks so good. Yay. Here we go. We got the bad guy. Next. Okay. Oh wait, this is... Yay, okay. It's a new one. I'm just happy it's a new one. Hey, and this looks a lot better in person than I thought it was gonna look. At first, the reason I didn't really want these ones is because they were really neon, and it is. It's pretty bright, I should say. But it does look better in person than it does on the box. I prefer things that aren't like too bright, but yeah, this looks really good. I better double check these boxes too. Okay. Oh, another Mama Imelda. 4 doubles. Let's see what this one is. Another one. We got 3 so far. 3 Pepitas. Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to open the rest. Now I'm glad I got 8. Oops. Okay. Okay, I think these are the skulls. Lots of nice details on it. Really pretty, and it does like have the Coco vibe, of course. Yeah, it's beautiful. Come on, Mama Coco. This does not look like Mama Coco. Darn it. Another one. Okay. Let's keep going to the last one. For sure I'm not getting the... Am I not getting... Oh yeah! This is our last chance to get the full set. Please. No! Mama Coco, Mama Coco. Mama Coco? No! Oh, I really, really want Mama Coco. Mama Coco. I got 8 boxes really thinking that I was gonna get a full set. They are fun, but especially when you get a full set. Here are our new Coco pins. Till next time.